Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you my organic makeup in the box. I did a unboxing on my last video of this product. It was the Inika what's in the box. So in this video I'm going to be trying out the makeup using those products. Hope you guys give this a like, comment down below. If you're new, come subscribe to my channel and let's begin. So I'm going to be trying out this face in a box. So the first thing I'm going to use is the Certified Organic Pure Primer. Smells really good. So just blend that in. I don't really use primers that often, or I never really use it. I usually just use face moisturizer. Smells like sort of like lemongrassy smell. It smells a bit funky. So that is on. Next thing I'm going to use is the BB cream. So I'm going to put that on the same way as I did with my primer. Okay, I think I'm going to skip the BB cream. I'm just going to go do my usual way of how I do makeup. So I'm just going to go straight into the liquid foundation. So I'm going to use the organic liquid foundation. And I think I should get my beauty blender. So I'm just going to pop it on my hand, how I usually do it, and just get a brush and just dab it on there. I did pick the one that was closest to my skin color, so hopefully this one works out. Looks a bit orange to me. It's a bit hard to like spread it out on my face. It's not that much easy as my other one. So now I'm just going to use my beauty blender and just... I think I should have got a lighter tone because it doesn't look that good and it's really hard to blend it into my skin. So I think that is all blended in so far. I think that will do for now. So now I'm just going to go into the concealer. So I'm going to use the Organic Perfection Concealer and I'm just going to apply it as I usually do with my other one. So I'm just going to do the same thing. So far I'm not really liking the look of it, but we'll see how it goes because it looks a bit too orange for me. So I think I should have got a lighter colour, but I think this was, from what I saw, this was the lightest colour I could choose from. I would have to say my other makeup, which I usually use on a daily basis, would be better than this at the moment, but this one is better for you. It doesn't have any harsh chemicals or anything like that. So that's the concealer all blended out. When I do my normal makeup is I usually have a mattifying powder, which I also use. So I'm going to use this one next. Just going to use this brush. Use this how I usually use with my other mattifying powders. Set in. So once I've done that, what I usually do, I'm just going to use the bronzer now. It's a bit too orangey, but we'll go from it. Done the bronzer, so the last thing I'm going to use, I'm not going to like do any brows or eyeshadow or anything, just going to do the normal face. I'm just going to be using the products that I have in the box on my face, so I'm not going to use any other products. And I've got the blush. I mean, the blush is nice. I think I put too much product on there, so because of the foundation it's really sticking. A lot of powder is just sticking to the foundation, although I don't have much on there. That was the last thing. I mean, it's a nice like pinkish color. So this is the end result. So I used my primer, my liquid foundation, mattifying powder, bronzer and blush. To be honest, I'm not really happy with it. Like the foundation is not really blending into the skin properly. It's not like like creamy or smooth or anything, so it's just like once you put it on your face, it just sticks there and it doesn't like blend in at all. I like the blush, it's a really nice color. The bronze is good as well, but the thing is the foundation, all the powder stuff just sticks into one place and it's really hard to like blend it out. I'm pretty sure this was the lightest you can get. I thought this was going to be the best one that's going to suit my skin color, but obviously not. It's too orangey. The product is good for your skin. It doesn't have any harsh chemicals or anything in there, so it is good for you. But there are some other organic like foundations and stuff that are much better than this one, like more creamy and smooth and easy to blend. Just the liquid foundation I'm not really happy with. The concealer is good and all the other stuff, but liquid foundation is not that good. I'm not really happy with it. I will probably use the blush and bronzer with my other makeup products that I have, but I wouldn't use my liquid foundation. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. To watch my video, if you're new, come subscribe, comment down below. Hope you guys stick to my channel and look forward to seeing more of my videos. I'll be uploading every Friday, so stay tuned. See you guys in the next video. Bye.